Welcome to Tech Tips from the UHN Patient and Family Learning Centers. Today you will learn how to translate the UHN website into another language. To start, go to your browser search bar and type www.uhn.ca, then press Enter. This is the main page of the UHN website. In the top right-hand corner, you will see a Translate button. Click on it. This is the website translation disclaimer page. Scroll down and click on Select Language. Scroll through the list until you see your language and click on it. You can now read the disclaimer in your preferred language. Click Go Back to go back to the previous page. The UHN website is now in your preferred language. Now I will demonstrate navigating the website in another language by showing you how to find the Patient and Family Learning Center's web page. Go to the top of the screen and click on the Patients and Visitors button in your language. In the expanded menu, find Patient and Family Learning Centers. It may not be translated. Click on it. This is the Patient and Family Learning Center homepage translated into your language. Now you know how to translate the UHN website in your preferred language. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, we can be reached at 416-603-6277 or tgpen@uhn.ca.